Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, your upstate South Carolina's dealer for Yamaha jet boats. Today I'm standing in front of a 2025 Yamaha 252SD. This boat is in the mist gray hull color with the black hull bottom, has the white deck interior with white interior seating. Included is the tandem axle, painted black trailer with swing away tongue, spare tire, and 2 axles. Let me show you some of my favorite things about this boat. Come to the back with me. Yamaha has the ultimate in versatility of the seating arrangement. Check out the rear swim platform area of this boat. You have a spot to lounge, you have radio controls, you have speakers, you have cup holders, you have a freshwater wash down, you have removable underwater bar top style seating, or you can flip it back up for a table. Come on inside, let's take a further look. Look at the spacious bow seating in this boat. Nice coaming bolsters that wrap around. A dedicated front boarding ladder and anchor locker with a step out area. This boat also comes with a full bow filler cushion to make it one big lounge area. As you walk through the center walk-through windshield, you have a huge compartment here that can be used as an optional head where you can fit a porta potty. Again, Yamaha has the captain and co-captain seating with the wraparound seating arrangement, dedicated transom walk-through. You want a little bit more interior room? Slide your seats back and put in your filler seat. So now you have a true walk around seating. Take a look at the console here. This boat has our electronic start and electronic throttle and shift for very smooth, comfortable operation. It has the Yamaha drive system, which will allow you to easily maneuver the boat around docks, or the dock assist that will help keep you pinned up against the dock while you get everybody and your passengers on and off the boat. This boat comes with the water sports tower with the fixed bimini top and snap down sea deck flooring as well. Really excited to show you this boat in person. Please come see us at MarineMax of Greenville.